Dear future Brandon, when you forget how to set up a Fanuc robot in Roboguide, here's how you do it. These are like the cells you already have open, but what we're going to want to do is create a new cell. And we're going to want to go to Handling Pro. That's normally what you do. We're going to call this one Test Robot. Next, we're going to want to create a new one. You can also pull in robot backups to look at what those have, or whatever the last used one you did. Next, these are the different like robot firmwares. Some robots can have different firmwares. Like there's a robot that may not have the updated firmware, but you got to do a simulation for it, so you got to choose an older firmware. But let's just go with the newest one for now. All irrelevant here. Just keep going. Okay, and here's what you choose as a robot. I like the M10s. Those are nice. Let's go with the M10, 10M, 10M, whatever. This is if you have any extra axes on it. Just hit next. And this is where you choose your packages that go in the robot. I'd like to have like Profinet on mine. So let's just go with Profinet safety. Let's go for some Profinet Fanuc board plus, and then let's go for also some DCS, the safety stuff. We want the safe IO, position stuff, and advanced DCS packaging. Yeah, all that jazz. Sounds good. Okay, here we go. Just had to remove some of the other things. Okay, finished. Now it's going to go ahead and it's going to create this robot. Now it's going to ask us like, what range do you want for these axis? And there's some like setup stuff here. I just put like 1 for whatever the default is. I really don't care too much. That's just like a 5-degree difference if you have a certain flange on it. You think this is a screen you have to interact with, but you don't. Just leave it for now. And it's gone. Cool. Got a robot. There it is. Now there's the robot. We can move the robot around in space by grabbing on the longer parts here to move it up and down as we see fit. You can twist it by grabbing the upper parts and rotating as you see fit. The little green ball, oh, it just rotated the base, but not the robot's end effector. To move the robot around, you can grab this little green ball, which actually moves the robot. And similar thing, you can grab the top of them to spin it as you need to. There you go. You also have the method of using joint tool, which takes the robot and moves the joints individually if you need to do that as well. And there you go. Goodbye.